Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable nag screens in CapCut Video Editor. If you've been using CapCut for a while, you might have noticed those annoying prompts that pop up while you're editing. They can be quite distracting, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to turn them off so you can focus on your creative work without interruptions. In the first step, you'll need a sort of spy application to identify the windows you want to hide. This tool will help you pinpoint the specific nag screens that appear in CapCut. Once you've downloaded the application, unzip the file and run the executable. After that, use the Finder tool to drag over the nag screen window in CapCut. This will gather information about the window, such as its title and other identifiers. Next, go ahead and download AutoHotkey. AutoHotkey is a powerful scripting language for Windows that allows you to automate repetitive tasks. It's user-friendly and perfect for our purpose here. I use AutoHotkey to create a script that automatically closes the nag windows in CapCut, ensuring a smoother editing experience. Once you have AutoHotkey installed, we can move on to writing the script. While it's not strictly necessary, I recommend using Notepad as your editor for AutoHotkey scripts. Notepad offers features like syntax highlighting and better organization, which can make writing and editing your scripts much more enjoyable. Download the software. It's free and easy to install. Once you have it set up, you'll be ready to start creating your AutoHotkey scripts without any hassle. Now that we have all the ingredients to get rid of the CapCut annoyances, let's get started. I will guide you through each single step and explain exactly how to set up the script to close any unwanted windows. The single enforce command is a crucial part of our AutoHotkey script. This command ensures that only one instance of the script runs at a time, preventing any conflicts or multiple copies from interfering with each other. The requires AutoHotkey 1 directive is important to include at the top of your script. This line ensures that your script will only run in AutoHotkey version 1. Make sure to save the file with the .hk extension. This tells your computer that it's an AutoHotkey script. The persistent command is not strictly necessary for our script, but I use it anyway. The set timer command is a key part of our script, as it allows us to periodically check for the nag windows in CapCut. By using this command, we can set a timer that runs a specific function at regular intervals, ensuring that any unwanted prompts are closed promptly. The value 1000 in the set timer command means that the specified function will be called every 1000 milliseconds, which is equivalent to 1 second. Next, we'll define the function that will find and close the nag windows. This function will utilize the information gathered earlier to identify the specific windows we want to target. You need to use the window caption that you found using the spy tool. This is crucial for accurately identifying the nag windows in CapCut. Once the window is found, the WinClose command will execute, effectively closing the identified nag window. After saving, you can run the script by double-clicking the .hk file you created or press the Execute button in Notepad. As you can see, the window has been closed automatically. To add another nag window to our script, you'll simply need to include the window title for the new nag screen in the script. Use the spy tool to find the exact window title, just like you did for the first one. Simply copy the entire block and change the title parameter to match the new window you want to target. Give the label a convenient name and add a set timer command. Save the script and run it. As you can see, each time a nag window pops up, the script will detect it and close it without any manual intervention. This automation allows you to focus on your editing tasks in CapCut without being interrupted by those annoying prompts. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful in learning how to disable those nag screens in CapCut. Thanks for watching.